In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all photos from Google Photos. To get started, open Google Takeout in your browser. This is the Google tool that lets you export and download copies of your data. Since we only want your photos, the first thing to do on the Takeout page is click Deselect All. That clears every Google service from the export so you don't end up downloading extra data you don't need. Next, find Google Photos and click Multiple Format. This lets you review the format options for the files you're downloading. Choose the format you want for your photos, then click OK to close that window once you're done. After that, click All Photo Albums Included. This is where you can confirm that all of your albums and photo content are selected for the export. If everything looks correct, click OK to close that section and continue. Now click Next Step. On the next screen, you'll choose how you want to receive your exported data. Open the drop-down menu and select Send Download Link via email. This is usually the easiest option because Google will notify you when the export is ready. Then, make sure Export Once is selected. That means Google will create the archive a single time instead of repeating it on a schedule. After that, select Zip as the file type. Zip is the most convenient option for most people because it's easy to download and open on almost any computer. Next, click the file size dropdown. Choose 2 gigabytes or another size that makes sense based on how much data you have. If your library is large, Google may split the export into multiple zip files, which can make the download easier to manage. Once everything is set, click Create Export. At that point, your export will begin processing. Depending on how many photos and videos you have stored in Google Photos, this may take a little while, so be patient. When the export is ready, open your Gmail inbox and look for the message from Google Takeout. Open that email, then click Manage Google Takeout Request. On the archive page, click Download. For security, Google may ask you to confirm your identity by entering your password. Type it in to continue. After that, the download will begin, and your exported Google Photos archive will be saved to your Downloads folder as a zip file. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded all of your photos from Google Photos. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow along carefully so your export includes everything you want.